Hey y'all, this is the Coulis Metal Bread Loaf Pan, an oval cast iron bread pan with lid provided as a sample from the brand. Now, my sister loves baking and she was able to whip up some really delicious bread with it. Inside the box, you get the cast iron bread pan, the fitted lid, plus a complete sourdough starter kit. The kit includes a dough whisk, scoring lame, metal scraper, silicone basket, and 2 cleaning brushes. It's ideal for artisan bread and sourdough baking, featuring a trapezoid design that supports excellent oven spring and a golden, crispy crust. You can bake sourdough, rustic no-knead bread, or traditional artisan loaves right at home. Made from durable pre-seasoned cast iron, it comes ready to use with a naturally non-stick surface. The heavy-duty build ensures excellent heat retention and even baking for consistent results. With its compact 3.2 quart capacity, fits most ovens, and plus it's easy to maintain. Just rinse with warm water, brush clean, and apply a light coat of oil. The Coulis Metal Bread Loaf Pan is built for long-term use, making it a reliable choice for sourdough enthusiasts like my sister. Hope you all found this helpful, and have a great one. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.